Okay, your reference number is PAM935, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your name, please?
My name is Esther Sayritan, and I'm 39 years old. I have 4 kids, and I'm single mother.
Mm,
And I have also experience to work abroad in Saudi Arabia.
mm,
I've been there for 4 years, four
mm,
years ago.
mm,
Then I'm willing to work there, hopefully.
mm. Okay,
And I hope you choose me, ma'am. And
okay.
I'm willing to learn. I'm willing to learn how to cook and then how to clean. I know how to clean and then ironing, washing, and except cooking. Not yet. I'm not very good for cook.
Okay. So you have four kids. How old them?
My oldest boy, 18 years old. Then another girl, 17. Then third, 18, 17, 16. Then the youngest, 8 years old,
Okay. So if you're working
boy.
in Hong Kong, who is can help you take care of your kids?
My father and my sister also took care of them.
Okay, okay. So I need to know also you have experience in Saudi Arabia. You still remember how many family member in there you employed before?
Yes, yes, ma'am. I have
Five family
five
member.
members.
Uh,
Yes, one madam and sir, and
mm-mm.
the two girls and one boy.
Okay.
All in all, five.
Five. Okay. And then help to helper, right?
Yes, yes, I'm cleaning there. Then I took care the disabled woman, old woman.
Oh, you take care the old woman, and the other helper
Yes,
take care Indonesia helper take care the kids, right?
yes, yes.
And the cooking also, who is do the cooking?
No, I'm not cooking there. My madam,
Oh, your madam
because
cooking. Okay.
yes,
Marketing also your madam cooking and marketing also, right?
yes, yes,
Okay. So
also.
your man duties take care the elderly and
Oh,
then cleaning.
yes, yes, the disabled woman.
And how about you? You need to share room with the grandmother. You share room
Sorry, ma'am.
before you share room. You sleep with the grandmother.
Yes, yes. Mostly I sit there as an space. I took care the old woman. If I don't have work, I clean the room. That's it, ma'am.
And at the night also you share room with the grandmother.
And also, if the madam, the daughter, if I told me to give a medicine, I give to her. Then she have a drink like that. Take a medicine
No, I miss
like that.
at night. You where you sleep? Where you sleep?
With the grandmother.
Okay, 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 okay. How about your holidays? You also have the day off?
No, ma'am. I not allowed to go out because
Oh,
very strict country that in Saudi.
oh, so no, always cannot go outside.
Yes, yes, madam, not allowed.
Okay, okay. So, for the example, maybe for your future employee in here in Hong Kong, maybe you need also to share room with the kids. Are you okay? Maybe share room with the grandmother also.
It's okay with me, madam, ma'am.
Oh, it's
It's
okay.
okay.
Okay. For
Yes,
the in Hong Kong, if you every week you maybe can get one day off. But for the example, maybe you cannot go outside on the Sunday. Maybe sometime we'll pay to you. Maybe holidays in the weekday. Are you okay?
it's okay with me, ma'am. I'm
Mm.
willing. I'm willing to do
Okay.
that.
Okay. How about also if you need to share job with other the helper? Are you okay share job?
It's okay with me, ma'am. It's because I need job. I need money also.
Okay.
That's why I'm go there.